Dust is one of the enemies of astrophotography. Although flat frame can calibrate the dust shadows, but if the dust becomes more and more on your camera, an efficient way will be required.
The most common way is to use air blaster to clean the outside of the camera window.
This method can deal with 90% of the dust that has just fallen on. For some dust that can't be blown away, we can clean it with pure ethanol and medical swabs. If some dust is still there, no matter how many times you cleaned, it's probably inside the camera. At this point, we need to open the camera for the further cleaning. After remove the 6 screws on the back, you need to hold the whole camera and turn it over. Remove the front piece, then the protective window and gasket, and you will see the sensor. The dust on sensor looks very dark in the image. We can use the same way to clean the sensor. If you want to clean the inside of the protective window, you need to use a swab to push the glass, and then turn the glass over. After the clean job, turn it over again. If you want to check the image, you can connect your camera to a telescope and balo lens to check the flat frame. Usually, it will be very difficult to clean up with 100%, but if the rest is small and not in the center of the field of vision, it does not be a big problem in imaging.